Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best pink breast cancer balloons is probably one of the most impactful and visually striking ways to show your support and raise awareness for a cause that touches so many lives, offering a unique blend of celebration and solemn remembrance that can transform any event into a powerful statement of solidarity and hope. Number 5. PartyWoo Pastel Pink Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing a stunning collection of pastel pink balloons in various sizes. Perfect for creating a beautiful and memorable atmosphere for your special occasions. This kit includes balloons in 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch sizes. While the smaller ones are great for garlands, please note they may not float with helium. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. Easily inflate them with air for a full look that lasts up to 72 hours. They are designed for quick inflation, bringing instant joy to any celebration. Remember not to overfill them and keep them away from extreme heat or sharp objects. Inflate to your desired size and enjoy your party to the fullest. Ideal for baby showers, birthdays, bridal showers, gender reveals, or princess-themed parties. These balloons add a touch of magic to make your event unforgettable. What we like. This set offers a wide range of sizes, from 18 inches down to 5 inches, giving you great flexibility for creating balloon arches and garlands. The balloons are made from thick, durable latex, ensuring they stay inflated and look great throughout your event. If you're planning a large-scale decoration like a balloon arch or garland for a baby shower, birthday, or bridal shower, this comprehensive kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The balloons are a vibrant pink, perfect for breast cancer awareness events. Easy to inflate and held air well throughout the event. The design features a subtle ribbon print, adding a touch of elegance. Number 4. PartyWoo Matte Pink Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning pink balloon arch kit, perfect for any celebration. This set includes a variety of sizes to create a beautiful, full balloon arrangement. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating eye-catching arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. Inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or with helium for a floating effect. They are easy to inflate and bring joy to any event. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects to ensure the balloons remain intact. Control the inflation for your desired size and enjoy. From baby showers and birthdays to weddings and graduations, these balloons add a special touch. Make your next event unforgettable with these beautiful decorations. This comprehensive kit includes balloons in sizes 36, 18, 12, 10, and 5 inches. Please note the 5-inch balloons may not float with helium. What we like. The standout feature here is the inclusion of a giant 36-inch balloon, which can serve as a stunning focal point for your decorations. Its matte finish provides a sophisticated look, and it's suitable for a wide array of events from graduations to bachelorette parties. If you want to make a bold statement with a large, eye-catching balloon as the centerpiece of your party decor, this is the one to consider. What people say. The balloons are a vibrant pink, perfect for breast cancer awareness events. These balloons are made of durable latex and hold air well for extended periods. The design features a subtle breast cancer ribbon, adding a meaningful touch to decorations. Number 3. PartyWoo Baby Pink Balloons 5-inch. Introducing our 5-inch pastel pink balloons, perfect for adding a touch of vibrant energy to any celebration. These balloons come in a consistent, beautiful color. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons stay full longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. Inflating these balloons is a breeze. Filled with air, they can stay full for up to 72 hours, making setup quick and easy for your event. Please avoid overfilling or exposing them to extreme heat or sharp objects. Simply control the air for your desired size, ensuring a safe and beautiful decoration. From baby showers and birthdays to weddings and graduations, these balloons are the ideal choice. Make your special event even more memorable with their charming color. Please note that these 5-inch balloons, when inflated with helium, will not float. They are best used for decorative arrangements when filled with air. What we like. This option is perfect if you're looking for a uniform, delicate look, as it exclusively features 5-inch balloons in a beautiful pastel pink shade. They are ideal for adding small, charming accents to larger arrangements or for creating delicate garlands. If your event calls for a subtle, sweet aesthetic, like a baby shower or engagement party, and you need smaller balloons for intricate details, these are a fantastic pick. What people say. The balloons are a vibrant pink, perfect for breast cancer awareness events. Easy to inflate, and they held their shape well throughout the event. The design features a subtle ribbon, adding a touch of elegance without being overpowering. Number 2. PartyWoo Pearl Pink 4D Foil Balloons. Add a touch of elegance to your celebrations with these stunning pearl pink balloons. Their large, round design makes them a perfect centerpiece for any event. Crafted from top-quality foil and mylar, these balloons are built to last. They maintain their vibrant color and shape throughout your entire party. Setting up is a breeze with these balloons. They inflate easily with standard pumps and can be deflated for simple storage and reuse. From baby showers and birthdays to weddings and tea parties, these versatile balloons are ideal for creating a memorable atmosphere. Each pack includes 6 large 22-inch balloons, a straw for inflation, and a roll of balloon ribbon, providing everything you need for stunning decorations. These beautiful balloons are designed to impress, adding a lively and bright touch to any celebration and making your event truly unforgettable. What we like. These are not your average balloons. They are large 22-inch foil balloons with a stunning pearlized, mirror-like finish that adds a touch of glamour. They are incredibly durable, easy to inflate with a straw, and can even be reused. If you want to add a luxurious and eye-catching element to your party, especially for themes like a tea party or princess party, these giant foil balloons will definitely impress. What people say. The balloons are a vibrant pink, perfect for breast cancer awareness events. These balloons are made of durable latex and held air well for the entire duration of the event. The design features a subtle ribbon print, adding a touch of elegance without being overwhelming. Number 1. PartyWoo 127 PCS Matte Pink Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate your party decorations with this comprehensive balloon arch kit. It includes a variety of sizes to help you craft a beautiful and memorable display. You'll receive 127 high-quality pink balloons in sizes ranging from 5 to 36 inches. This generous count ensures you have plenty for any celebration. Made from thick, durable latex, these balloons stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last throughout your event. Inflating these balloons is a breeze, whether with air or helium. They are designed for quick setup, allowing you to focus on enjoying your party. From baby showers and birthdays to weddings and graduations, these balloons are the perfect addition. Make any special occasion even more unforgettable. Please avoid overfilling or exposing them to extreme conditions for best results. Proper inflation ensures they maintain their shape and beauty. What we like. With a massive 127 pieces, this pack offers the most balloons for your money, ensuring you won't run out, even for extensive decorations. It includes a variety of sizes, from a giant 36-inch to small 5-inch balloons, all with a sophisticated matte finish. If you're on a budget or planning a very large event and need a huge volume of balloons in various sizes to create impressive displays, this value pack is the most economical and practical choice. What people say. The balloons are a vibrant pink, perfect for breast cancer awareness events. They are made of durable latex and hold helium well for extended display. The hope and fight inscriptions are clearly printed and add a meaningful touch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.